Hello and welcome to this quick video. This is a video that I've made several times before, but I think it's due an update and a new release. Why? Well, because over the past couple of months, I'm getting lots of questions again for stuff that actually exists and answers that already exist within this channel. Not only within this channel, but in other channels as well. And I hate the idea that somebody is really struggling with something radio control related when the answer is very easy to find and within their grasp. And typically what you'll find is that when you follow the tips and tricks I'm about to give you, you'll have the answer in less time than it takes for you to type in the question to me asking for a link. Now, not to single anybody out, but this is just the latest example of the kind of question that I've got. And this individual is trying to figure out how to update Express LRS and struggling to find a video on it. Now, the cool thing is with this is once you know how to find videos and content, not just on my channel, but on anybody's, then you can very quickly and easily find the answer to pretty much anything that you want. The internet is a fantastic resource. And at this point, somebody's probably made a video on pretty much everything. So you can find that, but also in the forums and other places too. And lots of the times when I get questions, I don't immediately know the answer. I just use all these tips and tricks to find the answers to point people in the right direction. The second reason that I'm making this video is in the past where I just provide links to videos. What then happens is that individual doesn't then learn how to use some of the search and find features that are available. And then when they bump into the next issue, they have to get in touch with somebody else for help again. Whereas once you know how to search, use Google and YouTube search and some of the other bits and pieces, it's very easy to find the answer and you can find it within seconds. So let me just jump on the computer and show you some of the tips and tricks that I use here to find stuff when I need to find an answer that also will be useful for you if you're struggling to find something that you need too. So if you know the name of the thing that you're interested in finding, then you can just use a simple Google search to find the video that you're interested in. And if you add the content creator's name at the end, it'll give you only videos from that person. So if we go here and say Express LRS Update Radio and add my name to the end, Painless 360, and it could be any channel that you're interested in, or you could just leave that off and we hit enter, then we not only get the AI overview, which may or may not be correct. However, here, number one search, top right hand corner, updating Express LRS radios and modules, a how-to for beginners. Click on that and away you go. You can also do the same kind of search from inside YouTube. So if we search for ELRS update Painless 360 and hit enter, top video, there we are, ready to go. So you can very easily find the content if you know the name of something just by doing a simple search. And I do put a lot of time and effort into trying to make sure that all of the relevant terms that you're going to need to find the content after I've made it is in there so this kind of stuff works. And it could be something like iNav, those kind of things, and it'll kind of bring up all of the videos and pieces too. Now, if you don't know what the name of the thing is that you need more help with, and maybe it's a new piece of technology or you've seen it called several different things in the forums, the other tip I'll give you is if you search for something and add playlist into it. So say, for example, we're interested in finding all about Express LRS. Well, let's say Painless 360, and let's search for that on YouTube. Then the first thing that we find here is my Express LRS playlist. It's got 40 odd videos in it, but you know, down here, you can kind of scroll through this and here are all of the videos collected together so that you can go through the whole thing. And particularly when it's called things for beginners, it starts off super simple, gives you all the basics, and then starts to get more and more sophisticated and complicated as you go through the playlist. So let's have another look at one of those. Let's search for maybe something like walk snail. If we search for the walk snail, there's my walk snail playlist. Let's get rid of that little video down there. And again, clicking on this is going to give you all of my walk snail videos. And welcome to the video. Starting off with the really simple stuff, then how to update it, how to get your OSD working, my experiences with it, adding it to different models, new kit, everything is in here as well. The last thing, of course, is that if you don't know what something is called, it's going to be very tricky for you to type the name in Google. And if that's the case, then don't worry about it. If you just leave a comment on a video that's vaguely relevant, which kind of shows me that you've made at least a basic attempt to try and find something on the channel, I'm more than happy to point you in the right direction. But again, this video was made for those of you that are struggling to find content. Not only is the content easily findable with a simple Google search, so if, again, let's pick something at random, so ESC Basics Painless 360. There we go, there's the video. If you know what it's called, you can find the video very simply, but you can also find playlists and use playlists to find the other topics that you're interested in and find all the videos that go together. So don't suffer if you're not sure about something, especially when I've organized my channel to hopefully make it as easy as possible to find the stuff you need. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Painless 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.